Go. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show, and we here with
Travis from Dice Bar.
Dice Bar. Oh, okay. Look great, you know. So how you been?
Well, I'm doing so far so good. Just selling dice.
Oh,
getting people interested in
oh, you're
Dragons.
selling dice?
Yeah.
Oh man, how much?
$15 for all these resin guys and $45 for these metal sets.
Oh man, I'm about to cry, man. You don't mean to cry, huh?
I don't want you to cry. It is tears of joy, eh?
Well, it's tears of torture because I wanted to buy it. I wanted these, but I can't get it for free.
Nope, but you can definitely get them for 15.
Oh darn! You can't.
I'm a shrewd Bart.
Okay, thank you anyway, man.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Now I'm gonna cry at home. You don't mean to do that, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, thanks anyway, though.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, they sold video games and stuff like that, so they probably don't sell them in the aisle 900. Okay, so I saw Supergirl. Okay. All right, so burger battle, huh?
Come here.
Okay. All right, ups and daisy. Build burgers, destroy your friends. Oh, I never heard of this. Burger. What's the burger battle is for?
Yeah, so it's a game that he created. So
Oh, who?
Andrew.
Oh, where you went?
He's around here somewhere.
Oh, would you like to be on my show?
What kind of show is it?
My YouTube show.
I can't volunteer him or I'll get in trouble.
Oh well.
Will you be here tomorrow?
Oh yes, I will.
Yeah.
Well, never mind. Never mind. Let me get out of here. Well, all right. So I just don't want to get nobody in trouble. That's all. Okay. So hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Well, you do some awesome arts.
Thank you.
Oh, you drew all these?
I did.
Oh, you did a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Would you like to be on my show?
I'm not good at that kind of shit, so I choose not to.
Oh, okay.
I'm just socially awkward.
Oh, awkward. I'll be awkward myself. Adventure Time. Oh yeah, I do shows on YouTube.
Okay.
Comic-Con stuff and video gaming parade and everything.
Okay.
Well, if y'all want to be on the show, that's okay.
That's okay. You can put my art on there. I just don't want to talk about it. Like, feel free to put as much of the art on there.
Oh, all right.
I'm just terrible.
Well, anyway, you can say what you want on my show.
Okay.
All right. So if y'all want to, that's okay.
I'll pass for now. I'm sorry about that.
Well, what about tomorrow? I wonder.
Maybe. It just depends on. I just worked 13 hours today. Like, I just literally tried.
Oh well. I guess I'll see you tomorrow then. All right. Okay. Oh, and by the way, it's Dominoes 7. Yeah. Okay. All right. So drove 30 hours. I wonder where he came from. Okay. These some awesome things. All right. Hey, how you doing? All right. Oh, what's this? It looks like Mario right here.
It's cross stitch.
Excuse me. Would you like to be on my show?
I don't like being funny.
Huh?
I don't like being funny.
Okay. Well, I ain't gonna put y'all on though. All right. So you like the 103rd person that said that? Camera shy, huh?
Yeah.
Well, 103rd. Okay. All right. So anyway, I spoke to y'all already. So I ain't gonna put y'all on the show now.
Oh, thank you.
Tomorrow. Okay. I gotta remember who the hell I'm talking to. You know. So anyway, folks, I better stop this tape and I'll be right back.